Roundabouts are designed to make intersections safe and efficient. Drivers should know these easy steps on how to easily get in and out of a roundabout safely. Slow down when you are approaching and driving inside a roundabout. Treat it like your typical turn or intersection. Give way to vehicles that are already in a roundabout. Just as you would when entering a regular road, you must wait until there is sufficient space to enter in. When two or more vehicles approach a roundabout at the same time, you must then give way to the vehicle to the left. Otherwise it is first come, first served. Stay inside of your lane until you make your exit. As long as you keep yourself steady inside a lane, you'll be able to avoid any accidents and keep your focus on what's in front of you until you reach your intended exit. And last, use extreme caution when driving next to semi-trucks and other oversized vehicles as they have a large turning radius. Stay a bit behind from large vehicles traveling in the lane next to you to avoid getting sideswiped. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.